Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. We're in a different location today because it's finally nice outside. It's been crappy and cold and rainy for a very long time, and we are at Sarah P. Duke Gardens, which is downtown Durham. It's either downtown Durham or Chapel Hill. I'll look it up, but it's Sarah P. Duke Gardens and it's gorgeous out here. It's also packed, very packed. People are staring, but that's okay. That's totally okay. We are doing an unboxing of another level 8 carry-on suitcase. So this one is so pretty. I cannot wait to show you. I'll give you all the specs and all that jazz, but let's get to opening it and letting you see it, because the way this luggage looks, I feel like it needed an outside environment. So let's unbox it while I get stares. So you better like this video and subscribe because people are looking at me hella weird. So it comes in this really cool like carrying case. Also, it's super muddy, so if you see mud on here, it's because I'm tracking it on here with my feet. So apologies, but there's this really cool case that not case, cover. Yo, I saw this on here. I thought it was scratched. But it's not. Okay, so there's more plastic. Yo, this is so pretty, but it's freaking covered in plastic wrap, which is nice because it's not getting scratched, but okay. Is that all of it now? Maybe. It's a lot. Okay. Maybe that's all the plastic. Jesus. That's it. Alright, let me give you a little rundown of this pretty luggage. So, there's this little lever, and it pops these locks. Then, you can just open it up. Here is really cool. You take this little latch right here, pull it up, and then, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And on this side, is it a Velcro? How do you do it? I think it's, oh, I see. Then you take that off. That's pretty. Oh, so this piece comes out. And that helps you kind of compress your luggage. Then you can latch this back in here. Lock it back. Can you make it tighter? I guess a little. Yeah. And this part is similar to the other one, where like it unlatches. You have this open side over here. Then you have your little zip pocket here where you can put like a few toiletries and things like that in here. What else? I didn't even notice this, but like you can store a few things in here. But it doesn't attach to anything. So if you wanted, you could just totally leave that out. Alrighty. So also in this side, you got your packing stuff. You got a user guide. And then you have this little case. So let's see what's in this case. Let's see in here. Also, there's kids playing across the way. So if you hear them, sorry. I think this is your luggage tag. Yeah, it is. Cute. And it matches the inside of the luggage, so that's cool. You also get like a user's guide, but like it's all in Asian, some sort of Asian language because it's all in characters. I can't read it, so I don't think you really need a user guide on how to use your luggage. Let me give you some of the specs of this luggage. It is the FREELOOP carry-on luggage 20-inch. So, full 4-stage telescoping handle adjustments to your height. Of course, you get the TSA lock. Organized dry wet separation pocket for smart clean organization. Exterior polycarbonate, interior polyester fiber. Dimensions, which is the most important part: 15.2 inches long, 9 inches wide, 21.22 inches in height, so 38.5 by 23 by 56 centimeters. And the capacity is 37 liter. It's really like such cute luggage. Green is my favorite color, so when I saw it I was like, I need that. Definitely need that. It also has these, the feet that keep it like up off of the ground so it doesn't like damage your hardware, which is nice. The wheels also spin independently, so that's nice. You get a lot of control from that too. But yeah, my coupon code will be below. All the info to get the luggage is below, so. Hey y'all, so I realized I didn't in this video, but the coupon code for 10% off is Andi Wallace 10. All the info about this luggage and even the coupon code will be in the description box below. And if you've watched all this way, I appreciate you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye y'all.